Commend Intercom booth now. I want to show a couple exciting things. One of them that is very important to us is this device. Obviously, it's a Commend Intercom station. What makes this so intriguing, though, is that this is PoE now. Not only the intercom, but the strobe light as well. So, very small form factor, very slim design, so it's great for either indoor or outdoor use. And the fact that it is PoE. What do we have going on behind here, Steve?
So the neat part about this device in comparison to some of the competitive products is it can do the blue light that you see and the intercom station one IP PoE plus connection. So some of the competitive product require 2 connections. This device can do 1. If you add a camera to it, you do need that second device as well.
That's what we've done, and what the problem this solves is we have an IP intercom station, but then we have a strobe that requires separate power, and that was always a challenge. You had to run multiple cables there and have multiple power supply devices. So now PoE plus in 1 device. Pretty exciting for us. Another device here we want to show you, which is next to Steve here. What this allows us to do, one of the concerns, especially in the federal space, is putting IP outside of a wall. Obviously, there's vulnerability there, and you're worried about security breaches, data breaches. This device is located inside the wall. And what does that do for us, Steve?
This device actually matches the MAC address. This device to a station, to an IP station, use some secure connectivity. If you disconnect the station from the input side, it will immediately drop the connection between the device and the server itself or the network.
So great. This allows a device and IP station on the non-secure side of a wall, which obviously is very important. That's where we need intercom, but it's an unsecured side. So that is a really great device to add into our system. Let's take. Oh, actually, let me talk about this real quickly. This is an S3 intercom server. So this is an IP server, small form factor. Either be surface mounted or there is a rack mount device that is available with this also. So this can support how many devices?
112 IP devices.
So 112, that can be intercom substations, that can be a master station, just 112 devices. So great IP station or IP server. Let's take a walk over here real quickly. This is pretty cutting edge with Commend, a new device. This is called the ID5. This is a SIP master station or intercom substation. What makes this unique is the computing power is in this device. We're getting a call right now. It's video and intercom. Answering the call. But the computation power is in the device, so think of it as sort of like a smartphone.
So again, it's sized very small. If you notice how it's sized, it's very clean and it's very nice looking architecturally. So this is one of the 2 options for the station. It's a desktop option, and then there's a wall option over here as well.
So what does computating power at the wall mean, or at the device? It's like the smartphone that you're holding, Steve. We can download apps onto this. So allowing you to customize this with what is important to the user.
Right, so this gives you the ability to program it. Think of it like your smartphone. It doesn't matter that the device is what it is what is on the device and what programming capability that you can add to your system. It's not just a simple box on the wall with a button anymore. You can add a lot more functionality to your system and add a lot more finesse as far as what it can do for you as a device that's out on the wall connected to the network.
Some pretty exciting stuff here at the Commend booth, so we'll see you at the next booth.